that is already in your system, in your laptop. What you can do is that you can get an external a Caddy that goes into the CD-ROM of your system, and you can put the SSD into that Caddy, and then you can put that Caddy into your laptop, and that is going to give you an extra storage in your PC that can be an SSD in our case. So here's what you're gonna have to do for that. Let's put some of these things to the side. Turn your laptop over, and right here on your laptop, now this right here is the CD-ROM of my laptop, and this right here is the screw that is holding the CD-ROM in place. Just remove the screw. Now this screwdriver that I'm using came with the Caddy in the box for that Caddy. So if you're getting a Caddy online or anywhere, most probably in most cases you will be given this screwdriver. So just take out the screw, put it to the side, make sure you know where you place it. Now just pull the whole part that is your CD-ROM out of your PC. There you go. And this way you can remove the CD-ROM from your laptop. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've taken out my CD-ROM. Now this is the CD-ROM that was inside of my laptop. What I did is that I took this out, and I had this Caddy that I just bought. We'll be needing two things from our CD-ROM. The first one is going to be this plastic piece that has this button, and this piece is on the side of your laptop, so that from the exterior your laptop is going to look the exact same. And the second part is going to be this little metal flap. Now this metal flap is on the inside of your CD-ROM, and it is screwed down with two screws. All you have to do is that you have to take out this metal flap, and you have to screw it down onto your Caddy. Now the next thing is going to be putting the SSD inside of your Caddy here. Now the instruction and installation guide is already given here. All you have to do is that you have to match these and then the port here, and just slide in your SSD right into your drive here, just like so. There you go. So now our SSD is inserted into our Caddy here, and after that, as you can see right below here, you have 4 screws that you need to screw down. Okay, there we go. So our SSD has already been installed into our Caddy. Now what we're going to do, we're going to have to install this whole piece back to our laptop. So here's how that's going to go. And there we go. Okay, so it's back into our laptop. Make sure that the ports align. And then this one screw that we put aside before, just screw that in. And that's it, guys. We're done with the installation of our SSD, and we didn't even have to remove the hard drive that was already in our system.